I've got another Louis Vuitton pickup to review. This is another belt. This is the Bengale Belt in black, and it comes in usual brown Louis Vuitton drawer style box with the leather pull tab and the yellow cotton dust bag. And this is a fabric belt. It's made from a black cotton fabric which has Louis Vuitton embroidered into the fabric of the belt. And that pattern travels along the whole length of the belt right up to the end. About every 6 inches you get Louis Vuitton repeated. And then the end of the belt has a small leather piece, and on the back there is the date code, which is CA1111, which means it was produced in Spain in the 11th week of 2011. And then you have another leather piece here just where the belt attaches to the buckle. And the buckle itself is made from metal, obviously, and it's embossed with, in French, déposé en France et à l'étranger, Louis Vuitton, Inventeur, 101, Avenue des Champs-Élysées, Paris. Excuse my French pronunciation. And it has 4 rivets on the belt which are embossed with Louis Vuitton as well. And just on the back of this leather part here, it has Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, and the size there and the model number. So yeah, this is the first fabric belt I bought from Louis Vuitton. I usually just buy the canvas and leather belts, and I'm really happy with it. The only problem I found is that the back of the belt gets really scratched up. The back of the buckle here gets really scratched up because I wear it a lot with jeans, and this rubs on the top button on the jeans and gets scratched. So I tried to polish it with some metal polish to take out the scratches, and I don't know if you can see that there, but it's taken the silver coating off the back of the belt, so I think that's brass underneath. Luckily it's on the back of the belt, so it doesn't really show up, but if you got the front scratched, that would be obviously destroy the look of the belt. But yeah, apart from that, I'm really happy with it. Louis Vuitton used to do this belt in about 6 or 7 different colours. They had blue and they had brown and black, grey, turquoise, but I just checked the Louis Vuitton website this afternoon and they only have the black and brown version of this belt left, and both of those are sold out online, so I don't know if Louis Vuitton have discontinued this belt, but it does seem pretty hard to get hold of now anyway. So yeah, that's about it for the review. Thanks for watching.